If you are still here, it's because you are interested in generating a dataset using an eye-to-hand system. The only main difference is the position of the camera and the checkerboard. In this type of system, the calibration board is attached to the robot and the camera is stationary. When acquiring the poses, the calibration board must be centered on the camera's field of view, and it's required to capture it from different angles. Remember to check if in all captures there is a good data on the calibration board. After saving all the eye-to-hand poses in Robot.dk, the rest of the hand-eye calibration procedure is the same as the hind-hand. It is really important to check all robot poses sequentially to ensure that there are no crashes when going from one pose to the next one. After that, we need to run the script. The difference from the hand-eye calibration of the eye-in-hand system to the eye-to-hand system when running the script is just one argument. Instead of using dash dash EIH as an argument, we will use dash dash ETH.